There she is. My R32 GTR. Oh yeah. Gotta make this turn. This is so sketchy how they did this.
It is.
Whenever we can make this turn. That thing looks beautiful. Oh yeah. I wonder what's wrong with it though.
Know what it is.
And that's Al.
Know what it is.
Oh yeah. Sing it. Got a couple flats. Yeah, even in the back over here. Knew what the fuck happened to it. So a bit of a problem. The car does not want to roll off the truck because, well, our calipers are lodged in between the rotors. Yeah, so currently trying to figure out how to get this thing off because, well, the driver doesn't know how to get it off, and neither do I. And neither does the tow truck guy that was here earlier, but is gone now.
Hurry up!
Would you hurry the fuck up? Hurry the fuck up. Hurry the fuck up.
It's your car?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. How many people does it take to unload a Skyline?
1 hour.
Yeah, 1 hour.
Only 1 hour.
1 hour. My new baby's getting dragged off this trailer. I don't know how I feel about it, but it's the only option to get the car off the trailer, guys. It's pretty sketchy, but gotta do what we gotta do. Sunset though looks really nice against the paint. Hit that like button, guys, if you like the sunset in the sky.
All right. Woo! Oh yeah. You know. Oh shit. That's you gotta get carbon fiber one. Carbon fiber. Show me inside.
Oh, show me inside. You right, bro. What's up, everybody? Let's check out the inside of my new Skyline GTR. It has the Nismo cluster. Very, very nice. Look at that. That is something. Needs a new steering wheel. Center console looks right. It's pretty good. Hey, we don't got a dashboard. We don't have any panels on either side.
Want me to back up to the building?
Sure, that'd be great.
That same door?
Yep, that's the one. Okay, we're gonna go for a ride. Started moving right there. All right, guys, going for a ride in the Skyline, huh? Fun times in the Skyline. That is quite a view. That right there. That's a view, man. Holy crap. I have a Supra and a Skyline now. That's fucking wild. And those front calipers are looking pretty toasted now. I definitely need a big brake kit. Holy crap, man. This is a pretty surreal feeling. Even though they both need a ton of work. Yeah, man. Like, what the fuck?
This is crazy, bro.